Oh, you videoed me last night.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Okay, so I know this girl is snoring, sleeping. As you can hear.
Why don't you go honest to sleep? Wait, I'm in an intense bit. Stop. I'm in a pivotal bit, Tom. F off.
Well, that's a bit vulgar language.
Wee stubby! It's so funny. I'm gonna do it again. Wee stop! it's too funny. No. It's too funny.
I know you lost. Fuck off.
The game's bullshit.
What's for lunch then?
That's where we keep people like you. Gingers.
Where?
With all white bags.
Oh. Why? That's garlic. See that? That was a blow.
This is ginger.
Oh no, that's ginger, but that's garlic. It's Kopberg.
Yeah, you'd probably be down and after one.
You wish.
The world is so spinny.
Ow. You can't throw bread. Pick it up.
Probably actually hate you.
Hit my back of my head.
Sorry. Let's go for what's been here. What are you?
You're so much.
An idiot sandwich. An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
Oh yeah. Yes, that's why that guy looked at me.
Down. Tom, down.
Yeah!
Why did you do that?
He had
Why
nothing.
did you do that?
I'm gonna kill this guy.
I'm gonna be in so much trouble.
Oh, he lagged. I could have had him. Right, don't sniff me. Stop. Stop it. Sit. 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 Good boy. Lie down. Lie down. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, is that good? Do you want a sausage? It's mighty fine and juicy. It's all yours. If you want it, you can take it. I don't know why I'm singing. Might be strange. You nearly got the sausage. Do you want a sausage? It's rather big sausage. Whoa, whoa, whoa! He got it. He got it. I don't know why I got that. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye.